Ungalahli ithemba mntana sekhaya. You know, we find those days where we find ukuthi it's even hard to get up in the morning or uzitshele nje ukuthi kuyafana mos. I'm a failure. Uzibone njengesahluleki, uzibone njengomuntu, you know, in everything oyizamayo, nothing comes together for you. You know, uthi uyagogoda and there's no door that is opening for you. And sometimes you find yourself trying so hard to put food on the table and uyabona ukuthi you are not managing. There are days like that, they happen to most of us, and it does not make you isahluleki, it does not make you, you know, a failure. It does not mean ukuthi sekuphelile ngawe, because you have come out of it before. It means ukuthi usazophuma futhi. Ziyavulwa izikolo kungasikudala, and you find ukuthi there are those who don't even know ukuthi bazoqalaphi bayike kuphi. And sometimes you find yourself ukuthi bakhona nabasaba ngisho nokucela, because the world has become so cruel kulamalanga ukuthi when you find yourself asking, it's as if maybe nawe you don't know how to manage izinto zakho, and there are just those people that are genuinely not able to put it together because bakuleyo season leyo. It is a season to you as well, mntana sekhaya. It'll pass. Yes, you may have faced it year after year, you may have faced it month after month, but it does not mean ukuthi kumele ulahlele ithawula, because nawe your time is coming. That little that you are able to put on the table for those little one, it means a lot. It means a lot, and it shows ukuthi awusona isahluleki. It shows ukuthi you'll never give in. Keep pushing, mntana sekhaya. Ungalahli ithemba. Where there is hope, izinto ziyenzeka.